What up, guys? Welcome back. So I made it out to the beach today. Came for a nice little jog. I'm about to hit the shore, jog for about maybe 4 or 5 miles, and then maybe do some handstands and some stretches. Just pretty much came out today. Came out to this lovely weather. Let me show you how it looks. Beautiful, beautiful weather. You can see the little boaties over there. Cute little boats. That's where I'll be running shortly, all the way to the pier. This is Huntington Beach, people. We have made it to the stretching zone. What up, guys? Stretching zone it is. I'm gonna do a couple stretches, and it's not so bad, you see? Got a nice little grassy area, and we still get a nice view. We are here at the stretching zone. Of course, before I go for my lovely jog of the day, I will be doing some handstands. So I'm gonna do a couple handstands, and then we'll be jogging. You see, I'm running out of breath, first of all. But the key is to like hold your core and try to lift your legs up, but it does take the breath out of you. And you can't forget to breathe. It's one of the main things I always forget to do is actually breathe while I'm doing it. I'm gonna try to do a push-up, see if I can get it. Not a regular push-up, you know, like handstand push-up, and go for a jog very soon. But you know, I like this. I get into it a lot, you know. Let's see. I'm a bit tired. Let's try it after. I'm gonna go jog now. Down these lovely stairs, over the sand. Whew. Done with the stairs. Ugh. Into the sand now. That actually hurt my ankle a little bit. Don't do that. Or at least look at where you're gonna fall, or fall right maybe, you know? Anyways, in the sand now. Walking towards the destination of the beginning of our jog. Really want to learn how to surf. I was looking into buying a surfboard. You guys know any good surfboards? Any good surfboard recommendations? Let me know. Let me know below. I was looking at them. They're like 700, 800 bucks. Like, dang, these things are a little pricey, you know? But, you know, what was I expecting? Snowboard costs around the same. So yeah, one's on the snow, one's on the water. I love snowboarding, as you guys know. So maybe surfing would be dope, you know? Surf in the morning, snowboard at night. That'd be pretty sick, but first I need to see if I'm good. But we're getting here, guys. Number 14. Nice scorching sun. Pretty packed for COVID days. Boom. We made it, guys. We got darn made it. And we got the pier to the left, which I shall be passing. It's about maybe a mile away, or 7/8 of a mile, maybe 6/8 of a mile. I don't think it's 3/4, a little bit more, like 80%. This looks nice. The water is a little bit cold right now, but hopefully with the jog it gets a little bit better. But all right, I'm about to start my nice little jog and see how this thing goes. Really hoping I can go for 5 miles, which means I just have to go 2.5 miles that way and then 2.5 miles back right here. And then from here I go back to my car. So let's see how this goes. We get in there. So, I was wrong. There's actually only 0.5 of a mile. I made it. But now we gotta go 2 miles. In that direction. I think a lot of me. Let's get it. We got a mile done, guys. Up here's pretty far. I need that runner's high to kind of like kick in already, because I'm really running out of breath. But guys, holy crap, it's packed as fuck today. Just look. There's a ridiculous amount of people here. As you can tell, it just keeps going and going and going. Nice beach though. Oh fuck. Be careful out there. God damn, guys. God damn, I'm so tired. All right, we're about to hit 2.5. That's the pier over there. So, I just hit it. We turn around now. I go the other way. So now, I just need to make it back to where I started. I'm hot, I'm tired, I want to stop, but I'm not. Let's go, let's go. Whew. As you can see, it's still packed. And piers over there to the distance. Let's go. We'll make it once again. Yeah. So, yeah. Try to cut that back real quick. So I just finished 4 miles. We got the pier not too far away. So that means I'm half a mile to the pier and half a mile to our destination. God damn it. Whew. All right, just keep breathing. Let's get it. Now tell me, this view of running ain't worth it. There's the pier. We got this. We ain't stopping. We're just gonna keep going and going and going. The water's feeling more and more better, actually. Alright. Well, here we go. Alright. 0.5, almost done. Oh, actually 0.5 done. Wait, another 0.5. Let's go. Bro. We're done. We're done. We're done. We're done. We're done. We are done. It was nice. It was a good run. So I finished it in 9 minutes, 40 seconds each mile. Did 5 miles. I'm so damn tired. I low-key want to get in the water, but the water is not as warm as last time. Like, I feel cold. Yep, water's pretty cold. But yeah, oh, I just brought my keys. I'm gonna go back to the shore. But yeah, I'm gonna walk back over there, do some more handstands. We just finished 5 miles, another under 50 minutes. So that means at least each mile was under 10 minutes, which is not too bad for myself. Good run at the beach. I wanted to get inside, but the water's actually a little too chilly. So I'm just gonna get my feet wet, I guess. It's still scorching sun. I put some sunblocks on, hopefully I don't get burned. What's your favorite beach in Cali, guys? What's your favorite beach at all, actually? Let me know. Let me know below. Bye-bye, playa. Adios. Well, I'm not actually leaving, but getting away from the water right now. So, heading back to the stretching zone. Do some more handstands maybe. But I do need to go get my feet nice and clean because it has a lot of sand. Since I got out of the water, yeah, you can probably put 2 and 2 together. So I'm gonna go to my car, get my longboard, some sandals, head over to the wash station, wash my feet up, and then head back. Might do some other stuff in between, but that's the gist of the rest of our journey right now. But nice is the sun is very nice right now. Oh, there it is. What's up? It's gonna get me nice and golden brown. Wear sunscreen, please. You don't want to get burnt. All right, well. catch you in a bit. Currently playing Frogger in real life. Pew, 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 pew. Thank you. Oh my gosh, what's that? Alright. Boom, what does that say? Well, if you can't read it, it says 13th Street. My car is in 10th Street. Huntington Beach for you. You guessed right, yeah, still walking. Still going down the yellow brick road. All right, the sidewalks, no yellow brick road. You right. Though I'm not gonna lie, that run felt great. It felt amazing. It was actually really nice. I've been trying to get back into running, though the speed wasn't where I wanted it to be, but I ran a little bit more miles than the last time. Kind of going for like 8 minutes, maybe like 7 minutes eventually, but right now I'm hitting 8, 9. Today was 9 minutes a mile. I did run 5 miles though, but still, you gotta push it. I've noticed that it's a lot, mental. If you say you can, you push it, you breathe, focus on, breathing in through your nose, out through your mouth, hold your core, and then you can really get it. Not gonna lie, the view is nice. To wake up in the morning and just look outside and see that, that'd be nice. There you go, friendly people saying hello. Almost making it. I'm down to, I think, street number 12. That's 1 block. Hopefully it's 11. These contacts are still the first ones, the ones that I usually wear. So I haven't switched over to the other, the other ones that are supposed to give me more astigmatism, have better quality, but it says 10th Street. Oh, look, there's my car, haha. There she is. Let's get the board. All right, sandals, check. Board, check. Me, check. Now, we shall be off to get a little soaky clean so I don't have so much sand on me. And just go for a ride on my board. We are off. Go through the beachfront, of course. See, so much steadier when I'm riding my board. You gotta be careful for little rocks. We gotta go and play Frogger one more time to cross, or we can be civilians and go through the light. I actually go to the lights right there. Oh, I gotta jaywalk. Right, we're right along here. You go where I want to go. All right, so I'm riding. Oh, this is nice too. Ooh, gotta be careful. There are little bumps on the road. So it's a little difficult to keep stability of my recording and me actually, boarding. So if I eat it, I will be very sad and you guys will catch it. And my phone will probably go flying. And there's a lot of people. And there's another little doggy right there with some cool ass sunglasses. And I'm serious, that guy has a clue. Here we go. Beautiful, beautiful ocean. Back at the pier. Longboarding is so much fun. See, I guess I just like to board, you know, but more like cruising. I don't know how to do tricks, but longboard, surfboard. Well, haven't surfed yet, but longboard, snowboard. Hopefully soon, surfboard. Made it. Not gonna lie, it's a little weird going with my sand's a little wet. Hopefully they dry up soon. Ooh, close call. Very close call, people. Alright guys, I'm gonna go with successful beach day. Very successful. Nice little cruise with my board. Got 2 run from Oswald. That's one behind me. Almost ran me over. Anyways, like I was saying, nice little cruise with my board. I'm a little tired, I'm not gonna lie. Those 5 miles beat me up. Almost to the spot. And then chill for a little bit. And we're gonna head on home after that. We're gonna call it beach day. What do you guys like to do when you guys come to the beach? Maybe next time we'll go to Santa Monica and do one of those, you know, monkey bars or the handstand little zone. Get to the they have, you know, the American something. How's it go? American Warrior type of area. But yeah, still riding my board. And see you in a bit. I got some acrobats. That's pretty dope. They're getting crazy up there. Some cheerleaders. Fantastic boy. Take me to every destination. Zoom, 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 zoom. Not bad of a view, huh guys? Not bad of a view at all. I'm gonna chill here for a little bit, do some handstands, get some fresh sun, and I'll probably head out afterwards. Yep. Sounds like a good old day. I'm a little tired, I'm not gonna lie. My calves hurt just a little bit. Sun feels great though. The beach was so packed today, it was ridiculous. It's not even funny. But try to keep my distance, ride my miles. I'm gonna do some more handstands and then I'm gonna head on home. Good day, beautiful day. Alrighty then, watch me. well, I'm heading back. I don't know where I'm at. This is 13th Street, so I got 3 blocks, but I'm on the board. And when I'm on the board, it doesn't seem like that long that we're going. All right. We're heading back. Beautiful day at the beach for sure. Let's see what I do next time. Stay tuned, guys. Hopefully soon I can do some of those cool tricks I was mentioning earlier. But yeah, practice, guys. The only way we get better. And that's the only way we succeed. Expect to fail. And then push forward. All right, guys. Well, I'll catch you guys later. Till next time. Oh yeah, by the way, comment down below, subscribe. All right, later.